Welcome to my channel, Hidden on Earth. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, the wind whipping through your hair, with a view stretching out for miles. Below you, the Amazon rainforest sprawls in an endless sea of green. But above you, a giant, flat-topped mountain looms, almost like a forgotten world from another time. This, my friends, is Mount Roraima. And what if I told you that this place isn't just some beautiful hiking destination or exotic natural wonder? No, Mount Roraima is more than that. It's a living legend, a piece of earth that has inspired stories, sparked imaginations, and even influenced science fiction. So grab your backpack and buckle up as we take an unforgettable journey to one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring places on Earth. Located at the intersection of three countries, Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima sits in a remote corner of South America. This massive, flat-topped peak rises nearly 9,094 feet into the sky. It's the highest point in the Venezuelan Guyana region, part of the larger Gran Sabana Plateau. And believe me, this is no ordinary mountain. It's a geological and cultural gem that's captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. It's a place where borders blur and the landscape tells a story of ancient geology and deep-rooted culture. You might not think much of a mountain's location at first, but Mount Roraima's position makes it a focal point for so much more.
Before the scientists, explorers, and trekkers, there were stories. Ancient stories that speak of gods, spirits, and magical places. To the indigenous Pemon and Capon tribes, Mount Roraima wasn't just a mountain, it was a sacred place, the home of their gods. Legend has it that Roraima was once a massive tree that reached to the heavens, a tree whose fruit could grant immortality. But one day, the gods themselves destroyed the tree in a fit of rage, and its broken trunk became the mountain we see today. And that's not all. The tepui, what locals call these unique flat-topped mountains, are thought to be the remnants of an ancient, prehistoric world, a world where life existed before the one we know today. Could there be a kernel of truth in these stories? Perhaps there's more to this place than meets the eye. Let's dive deeper and uncover the secrets hidden in its steep cliffs and misty valleys.
All right, let's talk science for a moment. Mount Roraima is what we call a tepui, a flat-topped mountain that formed millions of years ago. These geological wonders are the remnants of what was once a vast, ancient landmass. Scientists believe that Roraima broke off from the supercontinent Pangaea, drifting across time and space to its current location in South America. The tepuis have been isolated from the surrounding environment for so long that their ecosystems have evolved in complete isolation. The flora and fauna that call Roraima home are unlike anything else on Earth. We're talking about species that exist nowhere else in the world. Take the Roraima toad, for instance. This small amphibian has evolved to live only on the flat surface of the mountain, thriving in conditions that would be inhospitable to most creatures.
Now, if you're the type of person who loves a good challenge, then climbing Mount Roraima is probably high on your bucket list. And let me tell you, it's not an easy feat. The trek to the summit is tough. About a 6-day expedition through dense jungle, rocky terrain, and challenging conditions. There are steep ascents, narrow cliff edges, and weather that can change on a dime. But for those who are brave enough to take on the challenge, the reward is well worth it. Reaching the summit of Mount Roraima is like stepping into another world. It's a vast plateau where clouds hang low, strange rock formations abound, and the views are nothing short of surreal.
But what really makes Roraima extraordinary is the diversity of life that exists up there. Remember how we talked about this place being a time capsule? Well, it's more than just a geological wonder. It's a biological one too. The flora and fauna found on Mount Roraima are out of this world. You've got plants like the Roraima orchids, which are specially adapted to grow in the harsh conditions of the plateau. And the animals? Well, they're just as unique. From the Roraima toad, which we mentioned earlier, to the bird species that call the cliffs home, the mountain is an isolated ecosystem full of life that you won't find anywhere else. You might recognize Mount Roraima from the movie Up. The floating mountain that Carl Fredricksen and Russell visit is clearly inspired by Roraima, with its flat top and towering cliffs. But the mountain has inspired more than just animated films. Explorers, scientists, and writers have all been fascinated by Roraima's mysterious allure. In the 19th century, Sir Walter Raleigh set out to find the legendary City of Gold, El Dorado, and he believed the path to it led through the Amazon and to Mount Roraima. The mountain was also featured in the works of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, whose novel The Lost World depicts a similar landscape of prehistoric life and forgotten creatures. Who knows? Maybe there's still some truth behind those tales.
So why should you visit Mount Roraima? Well, whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or just someone who wants to experience the thrill of the unknown, Roraima is an unforgettable adventure. It's a place that tests your limits, challenges your perceptions, and leaves you with a sense of awe and wonder. It was tough, but standing at the summit, looking out over the landscape, it felt like I was on top of the world. There's something so magical about this place. From the ancient legends to the unique ecosystems, from the thrilling adventure of the hike to the cultural significance, Mount Roraima is a destination that offers something for everyone.
So, what do you think? Is Mount Roraima on your travel radar now? Whether it's the mystery, the challenge, or the beauty that draws you in, one thing is certain: this is one place that lives up to the legend. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the adventure, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing journeys around the world. And let us know in the comments, would you climb Mount Roraima?